Hi there, everyone. Are you ready to become a super smart kid? Today, we're going to explore some fun ways to get our brains buzzing. First up, let's talk about curiosity. Being curious helps you learn new things. When you see something interesting, ask questions. For example, if you see a bug, ask yourself, what is it doing? Where does it live? Why is it important? Next, let's dive into the world of books. Reading is like going on adventures without leaving your home. Pick a book about space, animals, or even mysteries. After reading, share what you learned with a friend or family member. Being smart isn't just about schoolwork. It's also about trying new things. Join a new club, learn a musical instrument, or try cooking a new recipe. Each new experience helps your brain grow. Sometimes, we all need a little help. Don't be afraid to ask your teachers, friends, or family when you need it. Remember, asking questions is a sign of intelligence. Finally, practice makes perfect. Whether it's math problems or playing a sport, the more you practice, the better you get. Set aside a little time each day to improve your skills. So, there you have it. By being curious, reading, trying new things, asking for help, and practicing, you can become a super smart kid. Now, what will you do today to start your journey? Let's go out and learn something new. Use visuals or props to illustrate concepts. Involve the kids by asking questions and encouraging them to share their thoughts. Make it interactive with small activities, like a short quiz or a group discussion.